Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're heading out on vacation, taking a break, or just won't be checking your emails for a while, setting an out-of-office reply in Microsoft Outlook is a must. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to set up automatic replies in the new Outlook, so your contacts know exactly when you'll be back and that their emails aren't being ignored. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in using your work or personal email, and don't forget your two-factor authentication if it's turned on. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing your mail section. That's usually the default screen you land on after logging in. Next, look at the top right corner of your Outlook dashboard. You'll see the little settings gear icon. Click on it. Then scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. Inside the settings menu, go to Account and then click Automatic Replies. This is where all the out-of-office magic happens. Now, toggle on Automatic Replies. You can type your custom message here. For example, "Hi there, thanks for reaching out. I'm currently out of the office and will return on your return date. I'll get back to you as soon as I can." You can even set start and end dates so Outlook automatically turns the reply on and off for you. And if you want, you can choose whether replies should go to internal contacts only or to everyone who emails you. Once you're happy with everything, hit save. And that's it. Your out-of-office reply is now active. And there you go. Your automatic reply is all set in the new Outlook. No more worrying about missed messages while you're away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.